Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your rear windshield wiper on a GMC Terrain. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver and your new wiper blade. Make sure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface with the ignition off. This preparation ensures a smooth and easy replacement process, helping you maintain clear visibility. Now, gently lift the wiper arm away from the rear window until it locks into an upright position. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm. It should detach with a gentle pull, so avoid forcing it. With the old blade removed, take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Once attached, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear window glass. Finally, give the new wiper blade a gentle tug to ensure it's firmly attached and won't come loose. Then, turn on your vehicle and activate the rear windshield wiper with some washer fluid. Observe its operation to confirm it moves smoothly across the glass and provides a clear, streak-free wipe. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.